Now let us look at this beautiful, interesting exponential equation, and it reads 5 raised to y plus 3 then equals to 7 raised to y plus 3, and find the value of y. So how do you go about it? This is very easy. So first of all, we just need to recall is the law of exponents, one of the law which says that if you have a raised to m plus n, now this is a raised to m times a raised to n. And when you look at the exponent, you see that this part of the rule is the same as the respective exponential expression. So we want to transform this into this. So the exponential equation becomes 5 raised to y times 5 raised to 3 equals 7 raised to y times 7 raised to 3. So at this point, I want us to divide through by 5 raised to 3 times 7 raised to y. The same thing here, 5 raised to 3 times 7 raised to y. Why am I doing this? This is just to help me reconcile the exponent with y, and that's one the term with y with an exponent of y, and the term with an exponent of 3. Okay, so to this end, I can clear up this, and this here I can also clear up this. So we are now left with the term with the same exponent. So on the left hand side we have 5 raised to y all over 7 raised to y, and on the right hand side we are left with 7 raised to 3 then all over 5 raised to 3. Let us also recall that according to the law of exponent, that when you have a raised to m all over b raised to m, now as long as they have the same exponent, this can be written as a all over b all raised to m. Now we're going to apply this rule both on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So on the left hand side here, we get to have that this is 5 all over 7 all raised to y, and on the right hand side we have 7 all over 5 all raised to 3. Now you get to notice that on the left hand side we have 5 over 7, and on the right hand side we have the reciprocal of what we have on the left hand side. So all we just need to do is to flip the right hand side. Take note, when you have a all over b all raised to n, and we tend to flip the term in the bracket, which becomes b all over a. Now by flipping, there's a rule that tells you that the flipping also now includes help to add negative sign on the exponent. So this negative sign is the effect of the flipping. Okay, so now we're going to apply that rule here so that we have the same base both on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So on the left hand side there we have 5 all over 7 all raised to y, then equals, now applying this rule here, this rule on the right hand side we have 5 all over 7 then all raised to negative 3. Now looking at the left hand side and the right hand side, you will notice that we have the same base, and because we have the same base, then we can equate the exponent. So y equals negative 3. So this is the value of y that satisfies the equation. Thank you, and please share this video with other learners. Bye bye.